Good morning. Today I am solving exercise 2.5 question number 10. Question number 10 is saying you factorize 27y cube plus 125 z cube. Fine. So here we have to factorize it. So we write 27y cube as 3y whole cube and 125 z cube as 5z whole cube. We have converted this in this form so that we can bring the form like this. Fine. So we have got here this form like this, and when you will compare this form with this form, then you will get a equal to 3y and b equal to 5z. Fine. And now use this identity. This equal to means when you put the value of a and b here in this identity, you will get 3y whole cube plus 5z whole cube equal to value of a 3y plus value of b 5z. Similarly, 3y square plus 5z square minus 3y into 5z. This we have got by putting the value of a and b in this identity. Fine. So you just simplify it, keep it same, and 3y square 9y square plus 25z square minus 3 5 is 15yz. This is your answer. Fine. Question number 10, second part is 64m cube minus 343n cube. Change in the whole form of cube. This can be written like 4m whole cube. This is 343n cube can be written like 7n whole cube. 7n whole cube. Now this is the form like this, a cube minus b cube. When you will compare this form with this form, a equal to 4n, a equal to 4m and b equal to 7n. Put the value of a and b. You can write here a equal to 4m and b equal to 7n. Put the value of a and b in this identity. We will get a minus b means this equal to 4m cube minus 7n cube equals to a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b. Value of a 4m minus 7n and a square plus b square plus ab. Put the value of a and b, 4m square plus 7n square plus 4m into 7n. So you will get, after simplification, this. This is your answer. Question number 11, exercise 2.5. Factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xy z. So you know this identity, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. We will use this identity. So first of all, you just convert this polynomial in this form. Fine. So what do? 27x cube you write like 3x whole cube plus y cube plus z cube. So before moving further, I am just saying you take 3x as a, 3x as a and y as b and z as c. Fine. Means like this, these three terms we have arranged here. When you will compare these three terms with these three terms, you will get a equal to 3x, b equal to y and c equal to z. And now you put the value of this a, b and c here in this form. Fine. So you put here 3 as it is, a, b, value of a is 3x, value of b is y and value of c is z. You put here. And now when you simplify it, you must check that this simplification should come equal to 9xy z, because we have simplified this form in this form. Fine. You can check 9 into 3 into 3, 9 xyz. This is like this. Fine. So further we are moving. We have converted this in this form. So we are moving further. A equal to 3x, b equal to y, c equal to z we have got here. So put the value of a, b, c in this polynomial. In this polynomial. A cube, 3x cube plus b means y cube plus z cube minus 3abc, 3 into 3x into y into z equal to a 3x plus b y plus c z. We put here value. And similarly here, in this bracket, we put the value of a and b and c. So we have put all the values here and we simplified it. This is our answer. This is our answer. I hope you got it. Thank you. Exercise 2.5, question number 12 I am solving. It is saying you verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals to 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Verify means we have to show left hand side equals to right hand side. This is our left hand side, this is our right hand side. So we have taken here right hand side for solution. So you write down this side here, you get 1 by 2x plus y plus z, and this here as it is. Now you are solving it. 1 by 2x plus y plus z same, and here you open the identity a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and here when we will open this identity, x square plus y square minus 2xy, you will get here. Open this bracket, how? Y square plus z square minus 2yz. Similarly you will open this z square plus x square minus 2zx. Fine. 1 by 2x plus y plus z same. Now solve this bracket, you get x square plus x square, 2x square, y square plus y square, 2y square, z square plus z square, 2z square, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, as it is, you write down here. Fine. You see 2 is coming in each term, so you will take 2 common from this bracket. So we have taken 2 common, so that's why this 2 we have taken here. Now x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is remaining here. 2 will be cancelled by this 2. You will get x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Fine. Now you see from here, you know the identity a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca equal to a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. If you see carefully, this form is like this form. Here x equal to a, or we can say a equal to x, b equal to y, and c equal to z. This entire form is like this form. So we can write this form in this form after putting the value of a and b, c, a, b and c. So what is the value of a when you will compare this and this? A equal to x, b equal to y and c equal to z. Now you put the value of a and a, b and c, that is x, y and z respectively. So put the value of a, b, c here, you will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z. Fine. So from this we have obtained this by the identity this. So this is our verification. We have showed that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Fine. This is our answer. Thank you. Question number 13, exercise 2.5. I am solving. It is saying that if x plus y plus z equals to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equals to 3xy z. For solving this question, we know the identity x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xy z equals to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus 3x minus xy minus yz minus zx. In this identity, we will put the value of x plus y plus z. Value of x plus y plus z, that is given to you 0. So put the value of x plus y plus z 0 here. You will get this 0 into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Fine. So when you will multiply this term by 0, you will get 0. So this will be equal to 0, and send this 3xyz on the other side. You will get x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This is our answer. Question number 14, exercise 2.5 I am solving. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the values of each of the following. First part, minus 12 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Fine. So here you use the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc if a plus b plus c equal to 0 given you. Fine. So we will use this identity, but first of all we will have to check that a plus b plus c equal to 0 we are given or not. Fine. So you compare this with this a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So you will realize a equal to minus 2 minus 12 and b equal to 7 and c equal to 5. Fine. So value of a and b and c you have got. So first of all take a plus b plus c and put the value of a, b and c here. You will put minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. You are getting 0. So means when we have checked that a plus b plus c is coming equal to 0, we can say that this identity is applicable. Fine. So we find the value of this equal to 3abc. Here 3, this is a is minus 12, b is 7 and C is 5. So you simplify, you will get minus 1260. This is your answer. Fine. This part you do yourself. How do you do this? Here A equal to, compare this with this, A equal to 28, B equal to minus 15, C equal to minus 13. Do the sum of A, B and C. You should get, if you get 0, then you can use this identity. Means the value of this will be equal to 3 into 28 into minus 15 into 13. That will be your answer. Fine. Do yourself. Question number 15 of the same exercise. Give the possible expressions for the length breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Fine. You are given the areas by a quadratic polynomial 25a square minus 35a plus 12. In this question, you just factorize it. You know this is quadratic equation. You will get 2 factor, and from those 2 factors, or we can say those 2 factor will be either length or breadth. Means one may be of any possible. Question number 15, exercise 2.5. Give the possible expressions for the length, breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. We are given the area in the form of quadratic polynomial 25a square minus 35a plus 12. You understand what we have to find here? We have to find the length and breadth from the area given. Fine. So you just factorize it by the splitting method. When you will factorize it, you know the factorization, so I am not telling you it deeply. So when you will factorize it, you will get 5a minus 4 and 5a minus 3. Here, whether this or this may be your length, and breadth may also be one of this. Means length we have taken 5a minus 4, breadth we have taken 5a minus 3, but you can interchange it also. Why we have taken length and breadth from this? Because you know the area equal to length into breadth. So we have got area equal to this, means any one of these will be either length or breadth. Fine. So this is our answer. Second part you do yourself. You just factorize the given polynomial and then you will find the length and breadth. Question number 16. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given below? You are given the volume of the possible. You are given the volume of the cuboid in the form of the quadratic polynomial. You factorize it. You get 3x. You get 3x common from this polynomial. What is left? X minus 4. So here you are getting 3 factors. First factor is 3, second is x, third is x minus 4. So you know the volume equal to L into B into H. So from these three factors, any of these may be length, and second may be breadth, and third may be height. So we have written here length is 3, breadth is x, and x minus 4 is height. You can interchange it also because these are the possible length, breadth and height. This is our answer. Second part you do yourself. Thank you. I have solved most of the questions of exercise 2.5. If you still have any doubt, I will give you the PDF solutions. Thank you.